Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus B1502CB. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus B1502CB has a cracked screen, you might find it difficult to see anything on your display. This issue can occur due to accidental drops or impacts. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further damage or malfunction of the device, making it essential to replace the screen promptly to ensure your laptop functions properly. To carry out this repair, you will need a few tools and materials: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, replacement LCD cover, and adhesive strips. Now, let's get started with the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the suction cup to gently lift the screen slightly, creating a gap for the plastic opening tool. Carefully insert the tool into the gap to avoid damaging the casing. Work your way around the edges to release the clips holding the screen in place. Once the screen is loose, locate the damaged LCD cover. You may notice screws securing the display assembly. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Remember to keep track of the screws, as they can be easily misplaced. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the cable connecting the display to the motherboard. Take your time here to avoid any damage to nearby components. With the cable disconnected, you can now extract the cracked screen and replace it with the new one. Align the new LCD cover, ensuring all clips fit snugly into place. Reconnect the cable, being cautious not to apply too much force. Now, replace the screws you previously removed, securing the new screen firmly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reassembled, power on your Asus B1502CB to ensure the new screen is functioning correctly. If you notice any issues, double-check the connections and screws to ensure everything is secure. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider investing in a durable screen protector and a padded laptop case. These can help absorb shocks and prevent damage from accidental drops in the future. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.